Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to fix images not showing in Outlook. So here I am in my Outlook account, and then I'm using the classic version of Outlook. So if you are using the new version of Outlook, you don't need to worry about this problem since this problem doesn't happen anymore. But if you are using the classic version of Outlook, as you can see, I have an image right here and it is not displayed automatically, so you still need to click on them in order for them to show. So in order to change this, we need to change the settings in the Trust Center. So to do that, let's go to File, let's go to Options, then click on Trust Center and then click Trust Center Settings. And then from here, we need to turn off this option right here that says don't download pictures automatically in standard HTML email messages, meetings, or RSS items. Then we also need to turn this off, the second one. Don't download pictures in encrypted or signed HTML email messages. Then click on OK. And then what we need to do is that we need to restart the classic Outlook. And then now we should see the picture automatically, so we don't need to click the specific button earlier. So it already displays the picture right here automatically. And then that is it. That is how we can fix the images that are not showing here on the classic Outlook. So I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.